Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another awesome video. Today I have to show you guys this video. As in last video I showed you how to make this cub, baby cub. Well, that is my cub now. I gonna sleep in it. So guys, today I gonna be showing you how to make a bird cage. This was my chair in my garden. I'll show you guys how to make that later. If you guys can figure it out from the video. Oh, nice. My crop broke, but don't worry. I'll hold it back on and place it to see it there again. So guys, to make a bird cage, it is not really difficult, guys. It is so easy. So easy, guys. So first thing you're gonna need is a trapdoor. You can use any one you want. I'm gonna get a carpet because I wanna try something and see if it works, but you guys don't need carpet. I'm gonna need any block of your choice. I'm gonna just choose grass, and you're gonna need a fence. Yeah, so pretty much that's it to make the bird cage, but thing is I don't know where to put it. Maybe I should put it right here, somewhere near my house. Yeah, somewhere near my house. Or I could just put the bird cage near my garden. Yeah, near my garden. Okay, so you place that here, and then you put 2 blocks on top of it. Then you use the trapdoors and cover all around it, guys. Once as you've covered all the way around, cover the top too, and destroy the blocks in it. So yeah, and now you do that crouch and put one there. Keep on crouching, cause yeah. So, and then all you need to do is get your parrot. I didn't know about the double layer, but I'm gonna try placing it. Crouch to place the parrot in the cage, but then again he just flies out. I don't know why, guys. Oh yeah, that's why. Nope. The parrot keeps on moving out, guys. That is one problem with parrots. Stay one place, stupid parrot. Now here, guys. The parrot finally stays in the cage. You die. And one stays on top of the cage. Parrots are wicked, guys. Wicked. Sorry, bird. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video on how to make the parrot cage. As you can see, it's working, guys, and it is cool because the parrots are just hanging on top of it. Like, they love it, guys. This is the best parrot cage ever. See, the parrots are hanging on it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe for more.